So shiny.
Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to another motovlog. So in today's adventure, we are going down to South Orange County Cars and Coffee, which is one of the largest regularly recurring car shows in the state of California, as well as the United States, and probably the world. So it should be a great time. For those of you that are new to the channel, hi, I'm Chad, and I love motorcycles. I also love cars, and a little fun factoid, if it weren't for my initial interest in cars, I don't know if I ever would have become interested in motorcycles. So every once in a while, I like to venture down to this show and just check out the sick cars. Ooh, pretty. So being down here in Southern California, in the center of some incredible car culture, South OC Cars and Coffee gets a lot of really awesome cars, and motorcycles too, actually. See a lot of exotics, classics, import tuners, all kinds of different stuff. I used to go to the show a little bit more regularly, particularly before the pandemic began, and I've started going back over the last year or so since they restarted the show, and it's been good. Turnouts have still been amazing, still see some incredible cars every time you go. It's a lot of fun. Cruising down with my buddy Jose in his classic Fox Body Mustang 5.0. I don't remember what year it is, but it is a manual and it does sound really good. Beautiful day for this show as well. Should just be in the high 60s. Really not even a breeze, and it's a crystal clear day. Not many better ways to spend a Saturday morning than cruising down right by the ocean to an exotic car show. How about that? Space for a bike? Well, I had to ditch Jose, but look, another Tuono V4. Cool. Get all the bikes. All the people. All the cars. Wow. It is busy here. Woo-wee. But how about that Aventador SV Roadster? And another Aventador. Ooh la la. Alright, so it's packed here, but we're going to walk around, check out some cars and bikes, and maybe talk about them. It's that Aventador again. SV Roadster. Crazy. Super packed. I rip V8 458. Yeah. SF90 if I remember correctly. Yeah. This car's got 1,000 horsepower. Yeah. 458 pulling out. Got the classic 360. Ooh. V10 Plus R8. New GT3. Love that. Dude, that color is awesome. Vent doors pulling out. Got the Viper. Another 458. No, Huracan, I believe it's an STO. Oh, it's an Evo. My mistake. Beautiful. Color, another V10 Plus, new Turbo S, and the classic Gallardo. Bike game's pretty solid today too. Wide variety here. That's cool. Monster 1200S. It's a beauty. Really like the Monster. Buddy Nigel's R1. Ooh, F430 Spider, one of my favorites. She's mid-2000s Ferraris. Ooh. Gorgeous. Love that view of the engine. Classic STI. Very nice. Sick Evo, F-Type, Camaro. Mini Cooper. Ooh, sick Foresters. Even an NSX. Nice. R32 GTR. Got the Corvette Club. Nice. So yeah, quite the variety here. kind of a little bit of everything. All right, cool, dude. Good to see you. Good to meet you, Parker. Thanks, dude. That's ZR1 Corvette. How's it going?
Where you? Did you just get here?
No, I'm leaving. Good to see you, Josh. Love that blue on the M2 up there. Oh, what a beauty. I love cars. Love motorcycles just a little bit more though. Alright, so that was pretty cool. Weren't there for too long, have other things to do today, but wanted to cruise down, hang with my buddy Jose for a bit, but also come down and see the show. Great time, got to see a lot of really cool cars and some pretty sick bikes too. Got to see my buddy Nigel, so all in all, it was a great time. But with that, it is time to wrap this one up. So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave me a gentle little click of the like button and considered subscribing for future motorcycling content. I love bikes, as I've said many times throughout this video, as well as cars, but my focus is mainly bikes. Going to be taking this girl here to the racetrack in a couple weeks. Should be a great time. Drop a comment below. Do you ever go to car shows? Do you enjoy them? Do you go to bike shows? What are your thoughts on meets in general? Let's have a conversation down in the comments below. But thanks again so much for watching, and I will hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later. Oh, SVJ Roadster. Wow. Look at that. Just casually on the street. Definitely coming from Cars and Coffee though.